hoping you will subscribe, like, and share. Well, today's video is about food, and that's why I'm recording here in my kitchen, because today's video is about breakfast and brunch ideas. And as we get to the new year, trying to have a healthy lifestyle, I've been on this journey for about a few years now, trying, not 100% on that really pure healthy journey, but slowly but surely. So I have this healthy breakfast brunch ideas. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. It will kind of like dictates how you feel and your energy throughout the day. So I have all these great healthy ideas, mostly like vegetarian. I'm hoping you like it, and hopefully you will share your breakfast and brunch ideas as well. We're all in this together to be healthy in the coming year and more years to come.
For 2021, I will be posting more recipes, quick to make, 5 or less ingredients, healthy alternatives. This is my favorite breakfast brunch spot here in my garden. My happy place, ambiance is so important for enjoyable meals. I love this place. So here are my favorite breakfast brunch ideas. Start with oatmeal, of course. My favorite breakfast of all times, and you can do so many things. Add blueberries and all fruits, and I have my recipe that I posted. I will link below for the ultimate, the best oatmeal. I researched internet to get the best oatmeal, so I'm hoping you'll check on that. It's very versatile and it's very healthy, full of vitamins and minerals. Then my other new discovery are rice cakes. They are so good. There's so many choices, whole wheat and all organic and other no salt, healthy ones. And you treat it like a toast or a bread, and you can add so many things on it. All fruits and almond butter, peanut butter, the possibilities are endless. It's important to have a healthy bread. I make my own bread, all these kinds of bread. I'm hoping that I'll post all the recipes on these breads. It's important, it's basic to have a healthy lifestyle, healthy breakfast, to have a really good bread, basics, and then you can add whatever you want. All the butters and the peanut butters and the fruits and all kinds of stuff like I have here. The possibilities are endless. Here are my favorite toppings for my breads. We have the blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, avocado, hemp seeds, and my new favorite nowadays, the new discovery of mine, is this chickpeas. They're so versatile, high in protein, and you can mash it, or you can just put it as, as a whole, and good with homemade almond butter, peanut butter, and even the pesto. I put in pesto and put some vegetables in there. Again, the possibilities are endless. Besides bread, you can use fried or baked plantains or fried or baked sweet potatoes as your base, and you can add all the toppings you want. Great substitute for breads. Next are muffins. What is breakfast without muffins? And just like bread, so many healthy ingredients that you can add, lots of choices. I'm hoping that I can post more of these recipes next year. With a little planning and a good recipe, muffins can really bring together highly nutritious ingredients like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. And this is my favorite right here, this black bean and chocolate, organic chocolate muffin, the best. This next one is a vegetable empanada, really good, very healthy and addicting. I make my own granolas that I can add to my oats and to my healthy cereals, and you can add a lot of stuff in the healthy apple crisp and the bread pudding. These are all ideas that I'm hoping that I can post next year. I love apple crisp. I have that recipe. I will post down below. It's the best. My mom wants me to make all the time. Apple crisp is not just for dessert, but also for breakfast. A pancake or hot cake or flapjack considered the earliest and most widespread food in prehistoric times. The pancake shape and structures varies worldwide. Many kinds of pancakes with different ingredients. I make my own using whole wheat, buckwheat, and almond flour. I add bananas, fruits, even carrots and spinach. I love pancakes. Then we have, of course, green smoothie. In those days that you just want something to drink healthy, substitute. There's so many choices for that. And I love to make my own dandelion tea, ginger tea, and I love this fresh parsley tea. It's very good for you, lots of benefits. I make my own hummus and pesto, and it's good to be your basis for all your breads and your plantain and sweet potato. And I love chia pudding, overnight chia pudding. Possibilities are endless in that too. And then some cookies, more cookies here. It's okay to have cookies. And then the breads with whole wheat breads, the flat breads that you have all these vegetables. So here are my brunch ideas. Soups are always good. You can do a lot of soups and with some chips, corn, organic chips, and bread too you can add. And a lot of salads for brunch for me when I'm really like kind of, late, like 11 and noon. So I do a lot of salads and vegetables. You can do so many things. You just add all of that. And it's so important to have a really good versatile dressing. And I'll post down below the dressing that I always use. So easy to make, and you can practically add it even to your protein like tofu and beans. The best salad dressing ever. Only 3 ingredients, easy to make and very healthy. My brunch ideas include a lot of pasta dishes and noodles. I love making variety of organic pasta and organic noodles, different kinds of recipes, and I found the best ones, and some of it are my own discovery, really healthy choices. You can make really good noodles and pasta without meat, without those unhealthy ingredients, and you don't even know the difference that it's meatless. It's really good. And my favorite now, I like using the cashew butter sauce. It's like my best discovery for 2020 for the best sauce to add to your pasta and some noodles and some kinds of noodle dishes. This one here is the star discovery of the year. It's the best thing. Spaghetti squash chickpeas mash and the cashew butter and sauce. So good, really amazing. And of course, what is brunch without my homemade vegetable pizza? And you can do a lot of things, depending on what vegetables you have. It's the best. And I make my own homemade crust from cauliflower and whole wheat and almond flour. And breakfast will not be complete without my favorite Filipino breakfast dishes, especially when I go home to the Philippines. This is what I eat. And my all-time favorite biko, and also my mom's ginataan binignit. I will post the link down below. It's root crabs, coconut milk, a little brown sugar. Delicious. And to end, it's always good to grow your own vegetables so that when you need it, you can just harvest, pick up from your garden, and it's so organic and it's really healthy. So I think that's part of having a healthy lifestyle and healthy eating.
Well, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. At least a few ideas for breakfast and for brunch, healthy ones. And hopefully you will also share some of your ideas in the comment section. We're on this journey together, one day at a time, to healthier us, to healthier eating, healthier lifestyle for this coming year and more years to come. God bless, be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.